What is up, YouTube? Brandon Rogers here with Chili Dog Motorsports. Today I have a quick tech tip for you, and the solution is very simple yet very effective. Are you tired of the sloppy throttle on your gromclone after swapping to a Nibbi carburetor? Let me show you how to fix it with this tiny little zip tie here. So I have been looking for a solution to take up a lot of this slop in the throttle cable after swapping to my Nibbi carburetor. I just wanted something temporary because I didn't want to go with a quarter turn throttle quite yet. And the solution that I came up with is actually glaringly obvious, and I don't know how I didn't think of this sooner. But we are going to take our tiny little zip tie and we're going to lift up the boot on the top of our carburetor there. And we're going to loop our zip tie around the throttle cable, taking up that extra slack. And we do have our adjusters adjusted all the way out. We can't take up any more slack the proper way. So just cinch that guy around there, clip off the tag end, put your boot back over, and done. Now you have almost no slop at the throttle. And as promised, almost no slop at the throttle. Doesn't hinder the ability of the throttle at all, but it just takes that miles of slop out of there, and it's just going to be such a better feel when you're riding. And like I said, very fast, very easy, very effective, and you shouldn't really need any tools other than a zip tie and some wire cutters.